guys, I'm Gina, and I want to thank the brand for sending over this teacher appreciation banner for me to share with you guys. So the size is 6 feet wide by 4 feet. So it's really a nice large size that makes a statement without being super hard to set up. So I think this would be so cute for a teacher appreciation week at your school, in a classroom, the office, the teacher's lounge. One thing I really like about this banner is that it can be used both indoors or outdoors, which gives you a lot more flexibility. If you want to hang it outside near the school entrance, you could certainly do that on a fence, even like a courtyard area. It's made from a premium polyester fabric. I'm going to show you up close. It's resistant to fading, so it's designed to hold up well for outdoor celebrations. It has double stitching. I'll show you on the edges. It does have double stitching, which is super nice because it gives it that more durable feel. And then there are these brass grommets on each of the corners to help you hang it securely. It does come with a 10-meter ribbon as well, so you get what you need to get set up right away. I'm going to hold the whole thing up and let you get a full view of it. Another thing I like is that it's lightweight and foldable, so when you're done using it, you just fold it up and store it again for another time. It is machine washable. Being reusable is always a plus for me. A school could bring this out year after year for teacher appreciation events. Overall, listen, I was a teacher for 25 years. We love Teacher Appreciation Week. I think this is a thoughtful decoration for celebrating teachers. It's easy to hang, easy to store, nice for indoor-outdoor use. And I love how bright and festive it is. So I'm going to show you a close-up look, but for me, this is a really good find.